In this video, I'll show you how to change font in laptop or PC. First, open Settings. Click Personalization. Select Fonts. Here, you can view all the fonts installed on your computer. If the font you want is already installed, open Notepad. Type some text. Click Edit. Select Font. Scroll down to the Font section. Click the Font Family drop-down menu. Select the font you want to use. Next, click the Font Style drop-down menu. Choose your preferred font style. Then, click the Font Size drop-down menu. Select the font size you want. The changes will be applied immediately. Start typing with the new font. That's it. This is how you can change font in laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.